in order to use hotspot on your phone, in some cases you may see that hotspot is somehow disabled and it's hidden and you are not able to actually find hotspot on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how you can actually enable it and use hotspot using your iPhone and iOS system. So let's get started. So in order to use your phone hotspot, the first step is to go into the settings. So tap on settings, and now in some cases you should be able to see hotspot. It should be somewhere between the mobile and VPN. Okay, this is where it actually normally sits. But right now I'm not able to see the hotspot, and I'm going to show you how you can enable it. Just so that you know that I'm using iPhone 12 Pro. So your options may be slightly different than this, but it should be pretty much the same process. And so in order to enable the hotspot, tap on mobile. Okay, and right now I have three options: primary, use personal, and use primary. Okay, if your menu is slightly different, that's completely fine. So tap on primary. Okay, and now we have a couple of options: network selection, voice and data, mobile data, and things like that. So once you're in this page, you need to tap on mobile data network. Okay, so tap on mobile data network, and now we have a couple of options: mobile data, LTE setup, MMS, and personal hotspot. So we're not going to use any of the other options. Only we're going to focus on personal hotspot. This is the only place that we need to actually modify to enable the hotspot. So we have APN, username, and password. So we don't need any username and password for this section. All you need is just an APN. So in this APN section, you need to put in internet. So type in internet, okay, and that's pretty much it. You type in internet, leave the username and password blank. That's completely fine. And now go back to the main menu. Okay, go back to mobile and settings, and boom, you can see that hotspot, personal hotspot, is actually added to your menu. Okay, now that we have the personal hotspot, we need to connect to this personal hotspot, right? So in order to connect, tap on personal hotspot and make sure that allow others to join is enabled. Okay, so people can actually find your hotspot. But the thing is, we don't know what's the name of our personal hotspot because we have not set any names. And if you scroll down, you see there's no other options to set the name for your personal hotspot. So in order to set a name for your personal hotspot, go back to the main menu. Okay, and from here go to general. Tap on general, and now in this page you need to tap on about. So about, there is a name section in this about menu, right? And you can see that the name is already set to iPhone. Okay, so this is the default name for your personal hotspot. So once people search for a hotspot, it shows as iPhone. If you want to change the name to your name, your Manny iPhone or Sarah's iPhone, or whatever you want to call it, then you can actually change the name here. Okay, so I'm gonna call it Manny's iPhone, Manny's iPhone, Manny's iPhone, right? Manny iPhone, and that's it. Go back. My name is actually set to Manny iPhone, and let's go back to general and the actual main menu. So now when people trying to find my hotspot, I can actually find it based on my name. Now go back to the hotspot section, they can find it. You also need to set a password as well, and you need to provide the password to the people who wants to connect to your hotspot. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to tap the like button so more people can actually find their hotspot and use their actual iPhone to share their internet. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss out the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.